Today, we're looking at how to use national days to celebrate your products on social media. This is Greene King Inns, and they've got a collection of over 100 historic inns and hotels across the UK. And what they've done here is they obviously use Facebook in particular as a little shop window into showing all of their inns. One of the things they've done today is they've found Beer Day Britain. So it's an important day on the Greene King calendar. For over 200 years, the Greene King Brewery in Bury St Edmunds has been expertly crafting our signature beers. And their IPA is one of the UK's most popular real ales. So the pub is at the heart of all the hotels, so you can relax and enjoy a refreshing pint. So basically what they've done is they've used National Beer Day, which is a national event or a campaign, if you like, a hashtag, and then they've used it to promote the fact that actually everything is founded on the fact that they've got a brewery, that the brewery, the beer, obviously, and the ale is one of the country's most popular products. And so it's really all about kind of celebrating it. So what they've done is they've looked through the national events calendar, and then they've looked at how they can, use national events to promote their products.